What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys clicking on the upload. I've got a special one for you guys. I'm about to show you something that has disappeared off the channel for a while, and there was a really good reason, which you guys will learn about in this video. But I want to introduce you guys to the newest ride from Fleming Family Racing. Even though it has been on the channel before, it is finally finished. So y'all ready for a sneak peek? Let's get to the video. That is right. Like you just saw, the SCDRA hatch that we started on the channel a long time ago is sitting right here. It has been off of the channel for some time now, but there was a really good reason, which you guys are going to learn in this video. This car has a primary sponsor, 100% completely funded by the sponsor. And so we took it off the channel to build it from ground up, take our time. We did not want to document everything that was done on the car until it was finished. And so now it is finally time to reveal it to you guys. So you're probably going to be seeing this video after the fact that it's already raced, just due to because we didn't want to reveal it prior for sponsorship obligations. But I'm going to show you guys now so you guys can see how the car looks, see how good it turned out, and then we're going to get this thing wrapped tonight. Let's check it out. And here we go. So there it is, guys. The SCDR hatch is 100% completely built. The team spent a lot of time on this car. Turned out incredible. We could not be more excited or happy about the way this thing turned out. Everybody just did a phenomenal job on this thing. Took our time and just did everything we could to make sure it was 100%. It is completely decked. It's got a different fuel system. It's got all the suspension work, completely caged, 100% custom suspension. Everything on the inside was done by us. Just fantastic work by everyone involved. We installed the cage. We did all the gauges. Old Flem did all the sheet metal. Just incredible work. And everything turned out phenomenal. We haven't finished and fully painted this or done the side skirts, but that's for a reason, because we are getting ready to throw the wrap on it. But you guys can see every little detail was put into this thing to make sure it was 100%. Just incredible work done by all. But you guys will get to see it run here in a little bit. For now, we're going to pull some of the stickers out and hopefully get this thing wrapped tonight while the guys are at the races, and so I can surprise them. But let's get the stickers out and get this thing wrapped up. We'll show them to you before I get them put on, and then we'll see what it looks like afterwards. All right, so here is a sneak peek of what the wrap looks like. And if you guys can tell, this is the one and only DM injury law car. The numbers are right up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start getting some stickers put on this thing, set you guys up on a time lapse, and see if we can start getting this thing hung. There you have it, folks. Christy and I got the wrap laid. So it is done. A lot more difficult than we thought, but turned out good. She's finishing up the final side over here. So both sides are finished. We got Austin Fleming, got the big 30. We like it that way, so y'all don't say nothing. We got Austin, the FFR iced out version, and we got the ice lights. So, old A-Flem, first time seeing it?
That's the name of the car, Sub-Zero.
Sub-Zero, all right. So what's your thoughts on seeing it for the first time? This is the wrapping up of the video. You excited to race it?
Yeah, I mean, we'll see what it does. I don't know. I may race it once and get out of it.
So tonight's the first race debut. They're seeing this after the fact that this is built, but I told them the reason we canceled the build was because we got sponsored by DM Law. So
yeah, I mean, they probably will have already seen it by this time.
Yeah, so we've already showed DM Law this video, actually. So we want to thank DM Law up north, Matt Sane up at DM Injury Law for becoming the primary sponsor of this car. So that's why we stopped the videoing, just because we wanted to work out that deal and contract with them. So there you have it. All Austin has to do is touch up this paint. I know he ain't going to go with it not touched up. He's got to finish the dash up, touch up all this paint. We've got a few more stickers left, but Christy, amazing job. And there you go. So again, thank you to DM Injury Law. Thank y'all for hanging out and checking out the video. It's been a long journey, but man, y'all can see it now. All custom gas tank, cage, sheet metal work. This comes off, and that is an RSX tank, which is pretty cool. So
yeah.
You still have to put your metal piece before tonight, too. All right, so what you got to say to them? You going to
let her eat, bub.
Let her eat? And look, you're 2 for 2 as of today.
We just took the 13 motor out. Put it in this one.
Yeah. So he's 2 for 2 today, so we'll see if he can take this thing to Deep South Speedway for its debut race. So thank y'all again for hanging out with us. Short, quick video. But we wanted to show you guys where the SCDRA build's been, and now it is complete. So we're going to take it to the track. See y'all on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think. Peace.